Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics questions for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Greatest Question number 1. Greatest number which is to be divided by 280 and 1245 leaves the remainder 4 and 3 respectively. First we subtract 4 from 280 and 3 from 1245. After that we calculate the HCF of these two numbers. So we get the desired number. So 280 minus 4, that is 6, 4, 5, 3. Getting 1242 4 276 so HCF is 138, so the answer is 138. Coming to the next question, three bells ring at interval of 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. They started ringing simultaneously at 9 am. What will be the next time when they all ring simultaneously? First we calculate the HCF of these three numbers. (12, 15, 18). 2, 5, 3. So LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 5 into 3, that is 180. So the bell are ringing 180 minute after 9 am. So 180 minute, that is we divided it by 60, we get 3 hours. So 9 am after 3 hours we get 9 plus 3, that is 12 pm. So C is the right answer. Coming to the next question, in what time rupees 4,250 amounts to rupees 5,610 at the rate of 8% per annum? So we simply calculate it with formula. We get principle is question number 3, 4250, amount is 5610. So interest is amount minus principal, that is 5610 minus 4250, that is 360. So rate is 8%. So time equal to I into 100 by P into R. So we're putting the value over there. I, that is 60 into 100 by P 250 into 8. first 0 2 or 17 so 4 year. So D is the right answer. Coming to the next question. Question number 4. If 4158 divided by 1 that is 11 equal to 738, 41.58 divide 1.1 is equal to. First we write it this way. 4158 divided by 11 we get 378. After that we write it and eliminate point. 4158 1.1 eliminating point we get, that is 100, this is 10. So there is a 110 is there, so point is after one place, so point is over there, so required answer is 37.8. so A is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. 0.0675 is divided by 15. Quotient is, first we divide it's 0.0675. First we put point over there, we get 0 plus 0, we get 6, so 0 after 6 7, so 460, that is 75 75. So answer is 0.0045. A is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, question number 6. 80 10. Question number 6. Next term of 80 10 70 15 60 is. So if we closely watch the series, we find that there is a two type of series, 80 70 60. There is a every term however there is a 10 less than the previous number. So here, but we take this series, we get there is a 5 more than this number. So first 10, after that it become 15, and there is it's become 20. So 20 is the right answer. Coming to the next question. If each side of a square will be doubled, then its perimeter will be. Question number 7. Let the side be A, then perimeter for A, side become 2A, side become 2A, perimeter become 4 into 2A, that is 8A. So perimeter become double. So perimeter will 2 times, A is the right answer. Question number 8. Following graph represent the number of cartoon filled with orange in 4 days of a week sold by a vendor. Sunday 2, Monday 1 2 3, Wednesday 1 2 3 4 5 6, and Thursday 4. If the vendor still remain with 30 orange in a carton, then what was the number of orange at the beginning? So this symbol here, this symbol represent 15 orange. So we calculate Sunday 2, Monday 3, Wednesday 6 and Thursday 4, we get 15. So 15 into 15, 225, and 225 he sold and he still have 30, so we add 30, with that we get, so 255. C is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, a man crosses 60 meter long bridge in 5 minutes. Speed of the man in kilometer per hour will be. Question number 9. In 5 minutes, he cover 600 meter. In 1 minute, he cover 600 by 5 meter. That is, in 60 minutes, he cover 12. That is 7 meter. So 7,200 meter, that means 7.2 kilometer. So answer is 7.2 kilometer per hour. Coming to the next question. Question number 10. A man do a work in 12 days, working 8 hours per day. If he does work 6 hours per day, what would be the number of days taken by him? We simply calculate it in unitary method. First, 8 hours per day require 12 days. 1 hour per day require 12 into 8 days, and 6 hours per day require 8 by 6, that is 2. 16 days. So C is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then press the like button and share to your friend.